Hey buddies, Jerome's here.
So for today's video, we're going to do a tutorial on how to convert your ticket into travel fund. Go to Cebu Pacific website, then click Manage Booking, and then you will be redirected to this page. We are going to use the booking details, so what you're going to do is look for the booking reference number, which is composed of 6 digits. You just need to input it here together with the last name of any of the guests if it's more than one passenger. And then click Continue.
Next tutorial buddies,